welcome back to my channel. I know this video isn't what I typically make, but today I'm introducing my sister, Charlotte.
Hi. Yeah, so today I'm gonna get my hair cut.
All her hair, to clarify, not just a trim. If you want to see how to cut hair at home, or if you're just curious what she's gonna look like, feel free to keep watching. Char has some last words. What do you want to tell me, Char?
Wisdom.
I want to tell you, I'm not a chicken. A few of my friends were like, we're not gonna talk to you when you cut your hair. And to them, to my lovely fans, I just have to say, thank you. I appreciate your never-ending I appreciate your never-ending idiocy.
Is that a word?
Idiocracy?
No, it is idiocy.
Idiocy. I appreciate your never-ending idiocy.
Hi, today is the day when we'll be cutting Charlotte's hair. But
Right.
guess what? We have plan B if things
Plan B!
plan B if things don't come out well.
Yep.
We'll do a buzzy buzz cut. Bye-bye. We're parting the hair, the top and the bottom, so we can get rid of the bulk of the hair first. You know, that's how professionals, I think, do it. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure.
Mom,
Okay.
all I'm asking you is that you don't okay?
Char, language!
Oh, I'm
Charlotte.
so sorry.
Oh my god. Why do you care anyway? You want a buzz cut. So what does it matter?
Oh, well, because
Right?
Would you want to be a plant at any point in your life?
No.
Why?
This hair is now
Is it, like, moving?
Mom, would you ever want to be a
directed,
plant?
but I'm not pulling it all
Can you
the way
pause
down.
him?
About being a
He's a
tree.
little bit loud.
Just so it back up.
Slightly more elevation.
Wait, no,
as
I
go.
really, that's exactly what I needed to. I've been
Can you turn him down just a little bit? Just a little bit.
So you thought about being a tree,
just to witness times.
but would you get bored? Like,
No, because times are, you live every time.
that was probably one of your best statements.
What?
You live every time.
Oh, it's looking good. Do you have any current thoughts?
Let me show you a meme to answer that question. There was a second there where I was like, am I gonna cry? Seriously, I don't know why. It wasn't about like,
a lot is coming off and it's like, oh, it's changing.
No, people are copying each other like when they cry.
Again, I'm just focusing on
I love the way it feels. I'm like, oh my god, I look so different.
So I haven't seen Char's hair yet. I'm seeing it right now for the first time. I'm not gonna look. Wait, it looks so good.
Yeah.
Wait, can I touch it? Or
Yeah.
is it styled with stuff? Oh, it's so soft.
I know, right?
Did you put product in it or no?
It has a little product in it.
Right, it feels really good in the back. Wait, let me see.
Internally, I feel the same.
Yeah.
If anything, the biggest difference it's made in is how like my friends perceive me. And I've had like such, I don't know if I said this before, but I've had such mixed reactions between like my male and female friends. Some of whom have like said that they like think it's the worst idea ever and like why would I do that? And then like all my girlfriends are like, yeah, go girl, like you bad. Which I like really appreciate too. But like, regardless of what the reaction is, it's like I didn't need that to know that I wanted to do it. Like I didn't need someone to tell me it would look good for me to like want to do it. Or vice versa, like I didn't need someone to tell me that it wasn't gonna look good for me to not want to do it. Like I didn't care.
Yeah. Anyway, so we wanted to thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions pertaining to this video, others I've made, or suggestions for what you'd like to see, since we have so much time on our hands, please drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, also leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
This is where